Babe, this is the one. This is the one. Oh God. Really? Yeah. Babe, come get this.
That's just like...
That's the real one. Hold on. That's the real one. Just hold on, babe. Came down here as the goal to break Katie's record, and boy, we did it.
Oh, yeah. You would have killed a big dog.
You guys are in store for one hell of a road trip down to Alabama with the girlfriend Katie and the man, the myth, the legend, the fellow ginger, Spencer with River Certified. And once again, we are chasing big catfish, not stripers this time, catfish in the home of giant catfish. So stay tuned. We're going to get some Alabama slammers and have a good time. Well, good afternoon, you guys, and welcome to a winter blizzard fishing adventure here with Knox Fishing. Katie and I are going on a road trip, and now we are at the undisclosed skipjack hole, massacring big giant skipjack. And it's a balmy, probably 20 degrees out here. I don't know, like that, something like that. And we had a hot water discharge, and Katie is just putting the straight up mac down on some skipjack. And after that, we head down to Alabama, but right on cue, Miss Katie has got her some bait. What do you think about that? And we are catching skipjack herring. The creme de la creme, the ribeye steak, the filet mignon, the whatever you want to call it, the Wagyu beef of catfish on the Tennessee River. And we are just absolutely macking them. And we're in my boat right now, but we're going to be fishing with a buddy that you'll get to see here in a few, on a bigger boat with a full enclosure, and it's going to be 10 degrees. So thank God we're going to have a heater. What do you think, babe? Great! Let's see if she can catch one right on cue. All right, pressure's on. We're going to wide angle.
Yeah.
She's letting the sink hit the bottom. She's on the bottom. We're using a sabiki rig style rig, and she's on with 4 jigs on it and then an ounce weight at the bottom. These fish are a little bit lower in the water column because it's winter time, even though we're at a steam plant. But it's letting it get down, and then we're just kind of moderate retrieve back, and then putting fish in the boat. And I'll show you the jigs we're using. Just Walmart marabou head jigs, 1/8 ounce, something like that, 16th. I'm gonna try to not get her hooked there. And we're just tearing them up. That thing's full at the bottom of skips. But yeah, we out here. The GoPro's dead, so I'm not going to get any chest footage. I may have to hand the camera to Katie, but let's see if she can get another one. Try again. Can we go 3 for 3? She got her new striker bibs on, and she's burning up. All she got on is a hoodie underneath that.
Just a t-shirt.
Yeah. Not even a hoodie, just a t-shirt. We're not sponsored by them yet, but we would be because they're an awesome product. There she goes. See how she slowed it down there after she wasn't getting bit and let it sink?
Oh, got 2.
She got 2.
I had 2.
Oh, had to. Another big one, another big one. Alrighty, good job, babe. We're off on the right track. Oh yeah. Look at that pretty thing. Say cheese. Well, hello there. We have Katie as the camera woman now. I'm going to show you what I'm using to catch skipjack. So this is a Okuma SRT inshore premier rod, and it is awesome for catching skipjack. One, because it's beefy and you're going to catch a lot of pounds of fish on this thing, ideally. And two, it's got stainless steel guides, so when you're using braid, it doesn't pop off. It's made for salt water, so it's overbuilt. Three, it's got the perfect action, really fast action tip. So the tip bends and then it just stops once you get past that. That's called a fast action tip, not a parabolic. And then we've got a Okuma GT spinning reel that's worn all to death, as you can tell. And we got 20-pound Suffix 832 braid on it. And then I've just got, you know, some generic barrel swivel, it doesn't really matter. We got 25-pound mono and about 4 feet of that. And then we've got just these little marabou jigs attached to it that used to have hair and stuff on them, but if you look in the cooler and all around the boat, skipjack have knocked them off. And then at the very bottom of that, we got 4 jigs tied on. We've got either an ounce or a 3/4 ounce weight. We're doing that because these skipjack are kind of positioned towards the bottom a little bit. So I'm going to show you the jigging technique to catch them. It's kind of flat up here, and then it drops off into a channel with a current break on the side of it. We're on top of the flat where all this bait's at. You can see all those gulls diving. Now I'm just going to pop it, let it drop, pop it, let it drop, and then do a little bit like that. And if I don't get any to hit it like this, you got them to hit it like that. I'll put my rod down and reel it and pop it like normal, but they've really been hitting it on the old pop and drop. Sometimes you got to get the old pop and drop on them. And I've got a double one right now. My hooks are all bending the crap, so if I lose these, that's why. I just had to bend them all back before we started filming. I don't feel like retying. Then we're going to flip it, and we got us a double. And that's how you do it. We are Alabama bound to meet up with Spencer from River Certified to chase some Bama blue cats in a freaking blizzard. And you can look all around me. It's freezing cold, it's sleeting, and there's snow everywhere. So Knoxville got like 10, 11 inches of snow. I think they got 6 or 7 down there. Bama people are even worse at driving in the snow compared to Knoxville people, and that's saying something. So we're gonna have a fun time. We're not gonna stay here all night. I'm sure we could catfish or striper fish around here, but we've got about a 2-hour drive, and I don't want to drive on icy roads with the boat. So that's what we're doing. And for fun, I'm gonna do one more cast with you guys watching, and after that we're done catching bait. Katie and I are gonna balloon one out just to see if we can catch a striper. If we hook up, we'll film it. If we don't, I ain't filming any of that. But let's see if we can go cast 20 in a row. Wisdom. Come on, baby. All right, going back to reeling. Pop, pop. Sit back down. I may have jinxed myself. I think I may have done it. Nope. When you've got that sinker on the bottom, they like to hit it too, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. Missed one. Come on, hit it. Don't make me a liar. All right, we're gonna let it sink back down. See if we can get him right next to the boat. Nope. Well, anyways, we're loaded down with bait, and hopefully we can catch a big catfish. Stay tuned.
I just like didn't really think it was that funny. So
now
now
you're hung up on it.
well, so now we're trying to figure out, we're like, okay.
Are you videotaping?
She's like, help. Well, it's day 2 here in Alabama, and we are stopping at the gas station, which is also called Pier 69. And the person who made this sign had to know what this looks like. Like, it has to be a joke. If it's not, God, it's Alabama, and this is it. Those aren't jellyfish. That's ice. We have safely made it down to Alabama. It is the next day now, and Katie is going to be riding in style for the first time on a big, real catfishing boat, not the pig sled.
I'm excited.
Hopefully we catch some fish. Spencer and I worked on hooking up, or he mostly worked on, a new depth finder on the top of his troll motor there. It's like the Garmin thing, the Panoptics, whatever it's called. We big and bougie, we got a full enclosure, we going fishing. The majestic skip. It's named after the skipjack. So what are we fishing here, Spencer?
I don't know.
Tree.
We're looking for trees because catfish like trees.
Yep.
Gonna try to get our cat that's stuck in a tree.
We didn't find big tree number 2, but we found little tree.
Lots of little trees and gizzard shad.
That's good.
That's a lot of gizzards.
A couple of stumpies.
Yeah, that's the most gizzards I've seen. Everything else has been thread finned. Super exciting.
Hopefully they like skipjack.
And kombucha. And we brought the kombucha.
Yep. Extra bougie. Well, we are fishing a luxury here today with Mr. Spencer. Katie, nice and warm. And Skip is eating Skip. Look at it, you can see it on his mouth. And we, it is super windy here on the Tennessee River. We had to go hide next to an island. And we've got all the rods out. I didn't do any filming because I was just trying to get stuff out because we marked a really big fish. And outside channel bed, bunch of rocks, and then we marked some fish. And there's some current.
And then I found $5.
You found $5?
You never heard that saying?
No.
Like when you say something that's not that interesting, you spice it up by saying, and then I found $5.
Ah, there we go. So hopefully it becomes interesting and one of those things folds down. Ideally.
That would be pretty ideal.
We have the good snackies today, per usual. We got the savory signature chicken salad. Skip's been having him some skipjack.
We could cook Skip if we had to.
If we had to.
If you didn't bring all those snacks.
Snacks. All right, put it down.
Maybe.
No, he's still on it. You want to turn it on the camera? Yeah, he's on it. Did you get him?
I think so.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh no, he just came off.
Oh, big sad. Big
Started
sad.
rolling in it. I don't think he was real big. That's what I'm going to tell myself.
I tell myself that every night.
No comment.
Oh, big sad. At least we got bit. So we've marked a big giant tree out on the bottom back here. It's huge. We're in like 70 feet of water, another bluff. And the break kind of comes off and drops in two places like a stair step. And there's a gigantic tree down there on the bottom back there.
What kind of tree do you think it is, Mark?
I don't know.
Cottonwood?
We are in the south.
A big ash tree?
Hopefully it's a big ass catfish. chunky, and we are fresh baiting at like every hole because Kay and I brought down 200 skipjack to fish for 3 days.
84 feet away, Mark.
84 feet?
I
Okay.
feel like the hardest thing to do.
Really? Thank you, babe. Thank you, babe. Yep. Thank you. Gosh, I hope we catch something on this spinner. It'll be so fun. Like an absolute blast.
It's almost pleasant over here.
Yeah, it ain't bad. I need a hat. I can't see anything.
A toque?
Shadoosh. Go on down.
Fairly short. I think it's deeper than it is the distance I cast it.
Really? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
They're up high on the ledge.
Up on the ledge.
Big old bait out there. And I'm ready to hide in the...
Oh, that just went some nasty stuff. I'm gonna be surprised if we get this back.
Feels warm. I feel good about it. Catch a big old flathead up there.
Yep. Okay.
Feel this?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I'm gonna drop one straight down.
I think you should drop one straight down.
Seems like a good idea.
I think I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one.
That would be awesome to get one and just bonk it in this rod holder.
Yep. Guess it'll be next one.
Dropping the Gigantor bait down. Sounds like a good plan.
We're not bobbing up and down here quite as bad, so maybe we'll actually get one.
Yep.
I don't like it when we're bobbing.
This your Kentucky rig?
Mm-hmm.
You doing 2 chunkies on it?
Yeah, 2 little chunks.
2 little fellers.
You can send her out that way. There's plenty of room.
As far as I can off to the left?
Yep.
Yes, sir. There we go. That's the one.
I hope so.
What are you doing, Skip? You want some more Skip? You want some more Skip? Majestic.
He is kind of a majestic.
Yep.
I'll try.
Fun fact, he's the breed of dog that Chewbacca was created after.
And walkers.
And walkers. I deduced that one earlier. Let me see him. Come here, Skip. You guys have watched Star Wars. He built like a walker.
Like my first mate.
Let's see his face. And he looks like Chewbacca. Oh, look at all the Skip blood all over him. Gross.
Attaboy.
Chewie, come here.
Laugh it up, fuzzball.
I mean, I think we ought to get bonked here. You never know.
You definitely might could catch a fish, maybe.
This spinner is getting bumped already.
I mean, there's a lot of line. He might. He just.
I think he's
toting
swimming
around.
with it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk on out there.
I would.
Katie, you wanna walk out here? This one's yours.
Is it?
Yeah.
Turn on my GoPro.
Yeah. It's filming. Yeah. We still dinking on it?
Looked like you might have dropped.
That one just got hit.
Are we getting a different dinker?
Yeah. Well, we found some fish. Whether they eat it or not, I don't know. Come on, get slamma-jammed. Oh, yeah. Babe, this is the one. This is the one.
Actually, just slowly.
Oh God.
Going down. Real one?
Yep. Babe, come get this.
That's just like.
That's the real one.
What do you mean it is?
Hold on.
Oh wow.
That's the real one. Just hold on, babe. Keep it tight. Just keep that rod bent.
I know.
That's a real one. You gotta keep that rod bent, babe. That's a real one. Oh, baby.
We got another one.
Where at? Oh, God. Well, we found the tree.
Here you go.
I got it. I'm gonna lay this up on the top of the.
I'm gonna let this one pull it down. Yeah. This,
We have.
oh wait, is that fish in this one?
There's no way.
It's possible. Then we're getting phone calls.
All right, reel down.
I'll call my dad back later.
Perfect. Perfect.
Ooh.
That's a giant, babe.
No,
That-
because this feels like it's rubbing on something.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. I think he is in it.
It's so weird too.
Yep. He's in it.
It's okay.
Is he coming or is he stuck, babe?
He's sick.
No, he's coming. Reel. Don't let that rod tip go.
I'm not convinced one way or the other. Weird stuff is happening.
Yep.
It's just so. Oh, so this is not the same one. So this is a different fish.
Here, I'll net.
I'll net. Yeah, that's a toad. Oh, he just squirted. He just pooped everywhere. Like
Gross.
projectile poop. All right, this one I think is in the tree. Then, oh yeah, I feel him rubbing.
Keep reeling, babe.
He's gonna work his way out of the tree.
Okay, walk up to. Bring that rod tip to your right for me. Got him, babe.
You got him?
Yes. That's pushing 50. You got one?
Yep.
That was, we had rods in the water, what, 5 minutes?
Not even.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
He just got bumped again.
Oh, this one's, I think this is over 50. That's over 50.
And on the just how slow
On the down rod, it just went whoop.
slowly went down.
I called it too. I said it was gonna be on that one.
Oh, we got another one.
Uh-oh. Watch out, my turn.
This a flathead or good call on the tree, Martin.
On.
Is he big?
Oh, he came off. Dang it.
This one's a nice one too.
Came off. Dang it.
Can I borrow that net?
Yeah, let me,
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to pick him up out of it.
okay.
I would try.
Let's
but-
bring him back in the floor of the boat back here. Yeah, can you, yeah, unzip that. I gotta get this guy.
Yeah, I got twice.
Must be.
Your wife did?
Holy cow.
That's 60, I think.
Yeah, I think
Oh, goodness. Okay.
Definitely the biggest fish.
Way to go, babe.
so. Alright, let me.
Look at that hook set.
I'll roll this up so it's out of our way. I'll try to. I'm gonna remember this tree.
Yep. I was like, hey, let's forget all the other stuff we marked. Let's go do that one.
Yeah, good call.
Man, that hook was in there. It was not coming out. Goodness gracious. You got pliers? Okay, I got it. I got that one. I think that was over 50, I'd say. I'm gonna get them out so you can get your fish in.
Okay.
Oh, brother. Where are we going? All right. Well, watch out, Skip.
Get over here, man. Go. We got fishes. We got fishes.
we got fishies. This is Katie's first ever fishing road trip.
Yeah, started off well, I'd say.
That's 20, 25.
Yeah, somewhere in that ballpark.
Maybe 27.
I got a burp down there.
That's good, because he came out of a lot of water. Here, let me pop that I got right now.
I'm gonna bring this line in that just came, the fish that came off. This is wacky.
Yeah.
That was no time at all. They're active.
At least these ones here are active.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna send this back out, I guess. How far did you have this one casted?
A pretty good ways. Right in the tree. That's past it, which is okay.
Here, I'll bring it up. Okay.
Holy cow.
That was crazy.
Yep. A lot just happened really fast.
Really fast.
Alright.
Better call your dad back.
Yeah, he called me twice, but I'll wait till we get these fish taken care of. Alright, Mark.
You want to throw them in the live well, and then we'll just call your dad?
No, let's just get this done.
What if you don't think it's a nerd?
I mean, it'll wait. He's an eye. It's not like I can do anything. For sure.
I think he may be close to 60. I don't know. He's really long.
I don't know what's on there.
Where's Skip? Okay.
Skip's behind the skip. He's trying to lick some skip up that fell. His tail's on the seat. Scoot back a little bit. Okay.
60.
That's what I thought.
Yep.
60.
Right, 60. Babe just broke 60 for the first time. Atta girl.
Nice.
Well, we've got Katie's new PB at 60 pounds. And Spencer's with 30, somewhere in there.
Little squeaker.
Little squeaker. And then I lost mine, but golly bum, that's a horse. What do you think about that, babe?
I've had to sit down for this one.
Skip even woke up for this one.
What do you think, Skip? Oh, he went back to sleep. Alrighty.
Alright.
Let's let him go.
Yeah.
This was our daily double. Right
Daily
here.
double.
We're going to get them back, though. 60
Very nice.
and a 30-ish, and a lot of fun.
In
mixed in.
3 minutes, literally.
3 minutes.
And lost another one. Look at that pig. That one real quick.
I don't know.
What do you think that one weighs, Spencer? He's probably 30.
That would be my guess. 25 to 30 pounds.
Not bad.
He's a fat boy.
He's a fat boy. Fat boy. See you later, buddy. All right, well, I'm up next, y'all. I'm up next. We came down here as the goal to break Katie's record, and boy, we did it.
Yeah.
See if I could, but
I think Spencer's going to let this one go. Here, let's hold him up. Let's see his full girth.
Right there.
Goodness, Daddy. Lord have mercy. Oh, he's going to knock the GoPro in the water. Well, we ought to save this tree for further reference.
It's the big tree.
The big tree. He's beating you up. Oh, he's beating you up. Let go of the grippies. See ya, big boy. There he goes. That was sick. Way to go, y'all. I reckon it's going to be my turn now if we catch another one.
You missed yours.
Back to Katie. Whoops.
He just pulled
Gosh,
that bait down.
nice
like
spread, nice spread. That was a beautiful takedown on the side
It
rod.
was just like the slow.
Just slow. I was like,
a
oh my God,
tree.
this is about to be 100.
Like a tree floated into it.
Yep.
Pulled down. County, right?
We're at the big tree spot, and you don't get to see what's under my finger.
That is one sweet thing, man. Like being this close. We got it.
That's my turn. Well, that's gonna be a good one.
All right, talk to you later. Bye.
My turn?
You botched one, remember?
No, that ain't how this works.
I really don't care.
I want to reel one in.
Let him like till he like flattens it, or just a little bit at a time.
He's coming at us.
Yeah. Oh, did he just drop it?
I think he's coming at you really hard. Yeah, he's coming at us.
There we go. Yep. Oh, wait till the big dog.
Come here, buddy.
That rod bent.
Yeah, Mark, keep that rod bent.
Yep, don't botch this one.
Hey.
Let me hold your hand.
Yes, please. I'm new. I haven't caught very many fish before.
I guess I'm the only captain on the boat.
Yep.
So it makes sense that I'm supposed to, you know, coach everybody up.
I'm looking at my captain's license too. This is a pretty good one.
Yeah. When he pulled drag like that, I think you'll like him. Want to hand me that net behind you too?
Get on up
We're
here.
gonna need it.
He's doing that thing where the big ones do. They don't do anything until you get them straight up and down
Yep.
after they slam it. And he hasn't gotten squirrely on me, so I like that a lot.
I'm a fan of that as well.
Oh, this is a big daddy. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's just weight. And he's going upstream.
Let me move that rod to your left.
Yep. You probably need to reel in that one.
Then we'll start by going under this one. Okay, we're good there.
He's tearing drag now.
He's in that one.
Yep. Oh my God,
Is
line.
he in it?
He's peeling. Oh my God.
How are we tangled here?
I have no idea, but he's ripping line now.
Okay, this is awkward, but we're making it work, I think. There you go. Okay. You got free run on him, bud.
He's got free run on me right now. Yep.
The net is ready.
Okay.
We just need the fish here.
I'm shaking. It's been a long time since I've had a fish make me shake.
He hit it all lackadaisical like, you know, like he didn't have a care in the world.
And then he slammed it. Hope it's a big flathead. Oh, he did that stupid head shake.
Or the roly-polies.
Yep. Oh my God, look at this drag.
I like it. We are 2.5 minutes into the fight.
I made a little headway. And then he just took it all back.
Those are the hardest fighting fish I've seen in a good long while.
Yeah. Look at the big head shakes.
I swear I'm not sad that I didn't get that.
Gosh.
Not a tiny one.
Nope.
No, that camera's dead. Hey, will you just get him in already? I'm kind of getting bored.
Come on up, bud.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I'm just
Still
gonna
got
eat
a
it
lot
up.
of line left.
I do. This is a big guy.
Yeah, let's see this. This is a flathead. He's a freak of nature.
Yep.
I'm gonna bet we have a beam on our hands.
He's going back down.
That rod is just cool. Arms getting tired or what?
They are.
Are they really?
Yep.
I guess you said you hadn't hit the gym for a while.
I know.
Yep. I'm looking at the spool. We're getting close. Probably 10, 20. Oh, yeah. Swing him over here, buddy. Give me some line.
There's another 60 plus.
Yep.
Holy moly.
Oh,
Goodness gracious.
that a boy.
Thank you. Big tree pays off.
Big tree.
Big tree. Big tree. Okay, that's over 60.
Big.
Over here.
You want video? I got video going.
Yep. Well,
You got his head hiding behind the jacket. He looks absolutely enormous right there.
here's a 65.
Yeah, no big deal.
No big deal. That was a fight. That was one of the craziest fights I've ever had from a blue cat.
It was kind of entertaining to watch you struggle a little bit, not gonna
I
lie.
was struggling. I need to go back in the gym, babe. They feed me too good. All right, well, let's release her. You get a good picture of it?
I'll get you a picture.
Have you setting up with him?
All right, let's get him back in.
All right, you got it going?
Oh yeah.
All right, well, I'm going to release this guy.
Yeah, you should do that. You don't want catfish nuggets?
Nah. We're going to let this big girl go. That was epic. That was epic. Oh! Dry streak is over.
It is.
My hand's still shaking, you guys.
You got a little knickered up there, bud.
Yeah.
You need my tail?
Huh?
You need my tail?
Yeah, wipe me off later. Thank you.
You guys are both warped.
Yep. Well, I just bummed up the whole thing I just filmed. We have closed the enclosure up after we caught 260 pluses and 30 something. And now we're big chilling. Yep.
Yep.
Skip's sleeping.
He's been
Drop my phone again.
I'll call him in.
So we basically got a whole skipjack on this rod drop straight down 70 feet in front of this tree. And I really want to see it go down. That's going to be a ridiculous hook set. Well, I hope you guys once again enjoyed a crazy fun video with Spencer and I and Katie on this new fishing adventure down to Alabama to fish with Spencer and River Certified. Spencer is now guiding in Alabama, has a big nice bite. They're on a great bite. The best lakes in the country to fish are big giant catfish, and one heck of a fun guy to fish with. And Katie and I want to say thank you for his hospitality, him and his wife, Bella. We had a great weekend. It was frigid temps. We had to fight the cold. It was like 10 degrees every morning when we woke up. 16 mile an hour winds. The hydraulic pump froze up on his boat, and we had to take Katie's hair dryer and hold it on it to unfreeze the hydraulic juices, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm not mechanical, but Mike Mistral told me to do that, and I did it, and it worked. So thank you. And yeah, we just had an all-around hell of a fun weekend. That was Katie's first ever fishing adventure road trip in her whole life, and it ended in her catching a PB and me catching a monster too, and we had a great time on that fishing adventure. Now, coming up, I'm about to leave today after this video is posted to go on a striper fishing adventure with John Bowman in Middle Tennessee. So stay tuned for that. If we catch any fish, if we don't, you ain't going to see it. I ain't posting crappy videos. Anyways, if you want to see more of my fishing adventures and the fishing adventures with my friends and Katie, hit that like and subscribe button down at the bottom. Follow me on Facebook. Mark Cooper is my main page. I have a Top Knox fishing page, but I don't really do anything with it. I don't like running a bunch of different social medias. But yeah, that's what we do here. Have a good time. Catch big fish. Post it on YouTube. We'll see you.